you so much. Don't ever leave me. Yo guys, what up? Andre back here from Cyberpunk Tech, and today we are going to be reviewing my first mechanical keyboard over here on the channel, and this is one of the Filco keyboards. Now, here in Canada, this is quite expensive. It retails at about $220. Over in the US, it is about $100, $120, and about $150 over in the UK. And I've been using this for a while now. It is really nice. I love typing on it because I've never used for a prolonged period of time a mechanical keyboard, and I am absolutely in love with this. Now, for all the specs of the keyboard, it is 10 keyless, so no number pad unfortunately, which they do have for different models. They have the ones with the extended number pad, which is quite nice. Unfortunately, at this price point, there is no braided cable. It's just a regular 2.0 USB cable, just rubber USB cable. Can't really complain about that. It is very nice. They've got Cherry MX Blues, as well as rubber feet and a rubber stand, so it doesn't slide anywhere. I have an extended mouse pad, so like it doesn't go anywhere. But if you use it on the surface of the desk, again, it really doesn't go anywhere. I will definitely do a type test of this, but it is very nice, very tactile, great feel. I've used it for a little bit of gaming as well, and is very responsive. And it's just an overall beautiful keyboard. It has two LEDs over here, which will turn blue, exactly like the Switch. The other ones, if they're reds, they will turn into red switches. And also, this one has all the letters and characters printed on top. They do have different models where the keycaps are blank on top, and they are written over on the inside. Now, what is nice about this keyboard is that it is not made out of, like the keycaps are not made out of ABS plastic. They are made out of PBT plastic, which is a much more premium feel. In my opinion, this is a really great keyboard, and I've used it to edit some videos. I've used it for many things. No macros, unfortunately, and to be honest, it's such a nice low profile if you want to stay away from the RGB whole chaos that's been happening lately, just everything RGB. And if you do want to stay with a classy way, there are options for you. This is just a real nice mechanical keyboard, and it stays away from the big brands like Corsair and Razer, the ones that are specifically made for gaming. And it is really nice with the low profile it has. It's not very tall. Your wrists don't hurt when you type on it, and it is overall just a great quality keyboard. I will also do a type test on it, just so you guys can see and hear how it sounds. Hey guys, if you enjoy this type of video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. Now, I didn't type very well. I'm not very good at typing, but you guys see that it sounds very good. It's a very nice sounding keyboard. And what is really nice about this keyboard is like they didn't do anything funky with it. The space bar is the proper size, backspace proper size, enter and shift, they are the proper size, which seems like an awful thing that some manufacturers do, and they change it, and it personally just does not add up or sound or look any good. Now, before I end off this video, if you guys enjoyed this, leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel where we do lots of tech reviews, tips, and stay tuned for more videos. Ciao.